To avoid future payment blocks on DoorDash, it's important to follow certain practices that ensure compliance with their policies. Here is a straightforward guide to help you navigate this process. Step 1. Understand DoorDash policies. Familiarize yourself with DoorDash's terms of service and payment policies. Knowing what is allowed and what isn't can help you avoid actions that might lead to payment blocks. Step 2. Use a valid payment method. Always use a valid and up-to-date payment method. Ensure that your credit or debit card information is correct and that the card has sufficient funds to cover your orders. Step 3. Avoid chargebacks. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Maintain a good order history. Keep a positive order history by avoiding excessive cancellations or complaints. Consistently placing and completing orders can help build trust with DoorDash. Step 5. Contact support for issues. If you encounter any payment-related issues, contact DoorDash support promptly. Addressing problems quickly can prevent them from escalating and leading to blocks on your account. By following these steps, you can help ensure a smoother experience with DoorDash and reduce the likelihood of payment blocks in the future.